the paradigm shift is happening from focusing on biochemistry and molecules only to quantum biology, where we focus on electrons, protons, and look at the body as an electromagnetic intelligence that is floating in an electric universe. In the old paradigm, we perceive light as simply something superficial that makes vision possible, and it has no place in its ability to affect health. Whereas in the new paradigm of quantum biology, light is much more powerful, profound, and influential than once thought to be. The old paradigm's focus is on the nucleus genome, as you may know, as the commander of the cell. And in this model, we can find that the patient could find himself a victim of their own genes. Now, in the new paradigm, we're rather focusing on the mitochondrial genome and on epigenetics. And why is that? Because it turns out that mitochondria plays an absolutely essential role in mediating communication, in sensing what is going on in the environment, and mediating communication between the environment and the cell. And light is one of the most important information that is continuously being transmitted into the cell. So even though it's the nucleus that is carrying our DNA, it's actually the mitochondria that is that is the mediator of the information, instructing our DNA and letting it know what to do, and therefore changing the proteins that are coded by the DNA to influence our organs, our tissues, our cells, without changing the DNA itself. And this literally positions light and mitochondrial health at the pinnacle of overcoming genetics and reversing disease by simply mastering our environment.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, clicking the bell icon so you're notified whenever we upload.